I'm makeup artist Cassie Lomas and I'm today with my model Amanda. We're going to be going through some questions that I get asked a lot from women who wear glasses. So things like how to make your eyes pop, how to make your makeup stay. Amanda, what's your biggest concern?
When I put my glasses on, I seem to rub off my makeup from the bridge of my nose and my face, so what can I do?
Okay, well there's 3 tips that we can do for that. Number 1 is to wear a primer because this is going to help your makeup stay. Number 2 is to use a thin layer of foundation in that area so there's less product to move. And the 3rd tip is to use a blending sponge. Now, this blending sponge, if you could just take your glasses off for me. I'm going to use this just in the areas where the glasses touch your face and literally just press on the skin to take away any excess product. The problem comes from having too much product on the face, so then the glasses slip and move it. So this will take away any excess and avoid that happening. So what's your next problem?
Well, I sometimes get makeup on the lenses. My lashes sometimes touch the glass. What do I do?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so my tip would be to curl the lashes first and also to use a volumizing mascara instead of a lengthening one. So we still get full lashes, but they're not hitting your lens. So I'm just going to get you to look down for me and I'm going to give your lashes a good curl. Now try and press these about 10 times and they really, really just lift the lash. So if your lashes were super long, then you'd put the majority of the product just right at the roots. So we've sorted the lashes, what's next?
Well, sometimes when I put my glasses on, I feel that my eyes just disappear. So how can I make them stand out a bit more?
I would recommend giving your eyes some definition with a liner, but instead of going for the normal black, I'd go for something with a little bit of colour.
Why is that?
Well, I'll show you. This is a liner that's kind of like a copper colour. So just close your eyes for me. I'm going to add a little bit really close to the lash line. I'm concentrating the colour on the outside corner and really close to the roots. I'm just going to put a little bit underneath too, just to add some extra definition. Amanda, just pop your glasses back on. See if you can see the difference.
Yeah, I can. My eye colour seems to pop more, doesn't it?
So we're just going to do the same on the other eye. Now, Amanda, I know we're working on your eyes, but have you ever thought, when you're wearing your glasses, to make your lips a feature?
I do sometimes think the glasses overpower my face.
So should we give you a lip then?
Yeah.
Let's go for something really bright and really bold because that's what's really going to get the attention. I'm going for a bright red because it's really bold, so this is what's going to draw attention away from your glasses and onto your lips. This is also a really good idea for an evening look. Now I know you haven't asked me this, Amanda, but one last tip I've got for you is about blusher. So the best way to put on your blusher is once you've got your glasses on, because we want to make sure that you can see it underneath the rim of your glasses. This is going to be your guideline. So I'm going to apply this with the glasses on your face. And just smile for me. And I'm going to use the apples of the cheeks and take the colour up towards the centre of the ear. You can see that the brush just hits the cheek underneath the rim of the glasses. There we go. So do you feel like we've answered all your questions?
Yeah, you have. You really helped me.
Oh, good. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this video too. If you have, give it a like and subscribe in the link below, and we'll see you next time.